If your knees no longer feel good or maybe never felt good doing a lunge, maybe you've had an injury and you're recovering from it, or you just have cranky knees and lunges make them hurt, don't do them. Here is a great exercise you can do instead. I do it all the time because I also have cranky knees. Now, all you need to do is get one weight, and I want you to come into a tabletop position. And when you get there, make sure your shoulders are over your wrists. Make sure your spine is neutral. So try not to have an arch in the back, but try to pull the core in so you have this nice neutral spine. Then place that weight behind the knee, and I really want you to grab it between the calf and the thigh there. And when you do that, you're gonna activate that hamstring even more. Keep that foot flexed. Then find that alignment and keep both hip bones pointing down. You're gonna take that heel and foot to the ceiling, and then you're gonna bring it down. What you don't wanna do is you don't wanna open up your hip like this, but rather keep the hip bone pointing down so the foot and the heel go up to the ceiling, not the side of your foot. So just like that, you can do about 10 reps maybe on each side, maybe for 3 sets. Maybe less, maybe you need to build up, but that is a great option instead of doing a full lunge. Again, if you have pain when you do a move, don't continue to do it that way. Find an alternative.